Have you ever wondered how the first images captured in space looked like and what they revealed about the vast cosmos? Let's go back to the year 1946. A V-2 rocket repurposed from war to peace took flight, rising above our planet's atmosphere. On board, a simple 35mm camera clicked away, capturing grainy black and white images of our world from a height of 65 miles. This was our first peek at Earth from space, a perspective that was both humbling and awe-inspiring. Fast forward to 1968, and we find ourselves aboard Apollo 8. As it orbited the moon, the crew members were greeted with a sight that would forever change our perspective: Earthrise. This breathtaking image was a stark reminder that in the vastness of space, our home is but a small, fragile sphere. These early images were just the beginning of our cosmic journey, preparing us for more groundbreaking discoveries. In 1990, the Voyager 1 space probe turned its camera towards Earth, capturing an image that would forever change our view of our place in the cosmos. This image, known as the pale blue dot, is perhaps one of the most iconic images in the history of space exploration. It depicts Earth as a tiny, almost imperceptible speck suspended in a sunbeam amidst the vastness of space. This image was captured from a distance of about 6 billion kilometers away from Earth. From such a vantage point, our planet appears less like a mighty globe and more like a pixel, a tiny dot of blue light. This perspective underscores the sheer enormity of space and highlights our seemingly insignificant existence within it. The pale blue dot image was a profound revelation, a visual testament to the words of the renowned astronomer Carl Sagan. He famously said, "Look again at that dot. That's here. That's home. That's us." These words remind us that every human being who has ever lived, every historical event that has ever taken place, has unfolded on this tiny speck. The pale blue dot image is not just a photograph, it's a perspective, a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. This image, this viewpoint, compelled us to realize our insignificance in the grand scheme of things and fueled our curiosity to explore the universe beyond our tiny existence. The pale blue dot image, a humbling reminder of our tiny existence, set the stage for further exploration and more breathtaking images. How would you feel if you could see the surface of Mars, the red planet, up close? That's exactly the opportunity we had back in the summer of 1976, when the Viking 1 lander sent back the first high-resolution images of Mars. Before this significant moment, Mars was a blurry, distant world, its surface features barely discernible. But with the arrival of Viking 1, our perspective changed dramatically. Through the lens of this pioneering space probe, we were given a front-row seat to Mars's rugged terrain, its towering volcanoes, and its vast windswept plains. These images were more than just pretty pictures. They transformed our understanding of the red planet. We saw evidence of ancient riverbeds and what looked like shorelines, suggesting that Mars was once a much wetter world. This revelation ignited a spark that has fueled our search for life beyond Earth. Could Mars have once harbored life? Could it still? The Viking 1 images also underscored the planet's harsh realities: its thin atmosphere, its freezing temperatures, and its barren, dust-filled landscapes. This was a world both familiar and alien, a tantalizing blend of the known and the unknown. The close-up images of Mars took us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the red planet. These pictures continue to inspire new generations of explorers, reminding us of the vastness of our universe and our ongoing quest to understand our place within it. Imagine seeing the magnificent rings of Saturn in detail for the first time. It's an experience that would leave anyone breathless. And that's exactly the feeling that was captured in the early 1980s by the Voyager 1 and 2 space probes. These mechanical explorers, surrogates for our human curiosity, journeyed billions of miles to deliver us a front-row seat to the ringed spectacle of Saturn. As they approached Saturn, their cameras clicked away, capturing images that were nothing short of celestial poetry. The rings, previously perceived as a singular flat disk, were revealed as a complex and dynamic system. The images showed countless icy particles, ranging in size from tiny grains to massive boulders, all orbiting Saturn in a delicate cosmic dance. These images didn't just dazzle us with their beauty, they transformed our understanding of planetary systems. We learned that the rings are not a static feature, but a living, changing entity. They twist, they warp, they ripple under the gravitational influence of Saturn's many moons. This intricate dance between the planet and its rings has provided invaluable insights into the complexities of celestial mechanics. These images serve as a reminder of our place in the universe. They illustrate just how much there is to explore, to understand, and to appreciate in our cosmic neighborhood. The stunning images of Saturn's rings remind us of the grandeur and intricacy of our solar system. What if you could see the icy, distant world of Pluto, a place once considered the edge of our solar system? Imagine that for a moment. As impossible as it may sound, this very dream turned into reality in 2015, when NASA's New Horizons probe flew past Pluto, capturing the first ever close-up images of this mysterious dwarf planet. These images, crisp and detailed, revealed a complex and fascinating world of mountains, valleys, and plains, all made of ice. It was a sight that challenged everything we thought we knew about the outer solar system. Here was a world far from the sun, yet it was geologically active, with a heart-shaped glacier the size of Texas and Oklahoma combined. These images of Pluto, the frozen frontier, didn't just rewrite textbooks, they opened up new frontiers for exploration. They provided a tantalizing glimpse of the Kuiper Belt, a region of space beyond Neptune filled with countless icy bodies, and perhaps even more dwarf planets waiting to be discovered. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, each image we capture, each world we explore, adds another piece to the puzzle of our universe. They remind us of our place in the grand scheme and inspire us to keep pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. From the first glimpse of our own planet to the distant reaches of Pluto, these iconic images have shaped our understanding of the cosmos and continue to inspire us to explore the unknown.